Do I get the cooler or the chiller? Well, let's talk about it. So you've probably seen online the Ceres, Ceres milk chiller versus the Momcozy cooler. So let's talk about some of the subtle differences. When we are looking at the Ceres chiller, in my opinion, this is a versatile, multifunctional milk chiller, meaning it has a lot of different attachments that takes it really beyond just breast milk chilling. You can absolutely chill anywhere from 12 to 34 ounces in this bottle, depending on how you're using it. The chiller uses ice. So you're either putting ice in the outer core with breast milk in the little center bottle, or you're putting ice in the center bottle and milk around it. Or you use it with nothing. You can just use it empty. You can pump directly into this core, which is really great. It has a separate lid that can then go into that to keep the milk separate from the ice. I use it now as my emotional support water bottle because I love a good product that can go from babyhood into motherhood and beyond. So this has a straw attachment, and then they made infusers so you could put tea or fruit or whatever in to make fancy flavored water. So this product looks like the same size as a Stanley or any other water bottle, and you can again chill different amounts of milk. So it really is good for like throwing on the go, and you can get ice anywhere to refill that. You do have to have access to ice. You could chuck the whole thing in the fridge too to keep it cold. Then you have the Momcozy milk cooler. So this one is not as versatile, but it has ice cores that will keep your milk cold for 24 hours. The Ceres chiller is marketed as up to 20 hours, but you could add more ice to keep it cooler longer. And the Momcozy cooler, when these ice cores are frozen, can keep that milk cold for 24 hours. So the biggest difference is you have to plan ahead with the Momcozy in order to get these frozen to do its intended purpose of keeping your milk at a consistent temperature. So these ice cores, they are big and bulky, but those are what keep this cooler cold. There are 2 bottles that go inside. There are a couple other bottles that will fit in here as well. Not all of the baby bottles on the market. If you have a narrow neck bottle, you can fit one in there. But some of the wider bottles will not fit in this. But I have tested it. You can put a pop can or a sparkling water into this cooler to keep it cold. So it does cross a little bit, not as versatile, into outside of the baby land, of breastfeeding land, by putting 2 cans to keep cold. You could put other frozen treats in there. I put ice cream in here for my kids one day because we were going to the beach and I wanted to keep things cold. So this one does have 2 10-ounce bottles. You could put 11 ounces in here, so you could get up to 22 ounces of milk. It would keep that milk separate. So if you're doing a pitcher method, you can combine in the chiller. And if you really want to keep that milk separated, you can do that with the Momcozy. You can see the size on this is significantly bigger. It is bigger and heavier. So if size is an issue for you, do be aware that the Momcozy cooler is about 3.5 pounds empty. So you're looking at 4.5 to 5 pounds when you have milk in here versus the chiller, which is going to be just a little bit lighter. So those are your milk cooling options if you don't want to use a standard cooler with ice packs, if you're looking for something very breast milk specific. Now you know.